Today I'm taking on the VACAPEX Vacuum Food Sealer. Okay, so this is nice. So this actually comes with a couple of rolls of vacuum bagging material. We got our power cable. We have a connector for external containers. So if you have any containers that are compatible with a vacuum sealer, you can use this with that. And we have got our vacuum sealer. And that is a very nice looking unit. And it gives us kind of a quick start guide to use it. So we got a spot for our rolls, so we can just put them in there and then store them in there. We have a blade. We can use that to cut our back so we don't have to get a knife out. We got everything right here that we need. And we have got our tray. So if you're going to be vacuum sealing wet goods, something like a steak or anything like that, there's potential that fluid could come out of the vacuum bag. We want that to go somewhere. That is going to go right in this tray. That we can take this guy out and clean it when we're done. And then we got our sealing element right there. One thing I can say I like about it right now is just how nice it looks. This is very nice, like copper accents all around it. We got, looks like a metal plate there on the top. On the back we got our power ports. On the side we got our accessory port, so that is going to be for this tube. And nothing on the left side. Now you can get pre-made bags and that will work with this machine, but I kind of like these things a little better. So what this is going to do, so the first thing we want to do is make our beginning seal. So we're just going to lay it down, drop it on. I pull the handle down, that will lock it into place. I really like that handle just because on other ones you usually have to like press on it. You have to really apply a lot of force. The handle just makes it a lot easier. So our interface is lighting up. We're going to do just a seal. We got a timer on here. Now we can pop it open and we can see that we are sealed. Now this is actually nice because this is double sealed. So if we look at another bag that I've done previously on another machine, it has got a single seal going across it. So if you want to have the extra reassurance of a double seal, this is the only machine I've really seen that can actually do that. Now we can pull out the length that we want for whatever size bag that we need. Wow, that cuts it very nicely. And we can fill that up and you can see I've got way too much material on here, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and see how it works with that extra space. So I'm going to put the bag underneath these tabs, close it, and lock it. Because this is just nuts, this is going to be dry goods, so we will hit dry. Okay, we can pop that guy open. We have got a very tightly sealed bag of almonds. That is nice. Something I could have done to make that even more convenient is just use this shorter one, just so I'd be able to fit that into a smaller container. It's nice I gave you those options with this. But yeah, that is a very nice machine.